Are you looking to clean up your Instagram account by deleting multiple reels that you've shared? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has just released a new update that allows you to easily delete multiple reels by date on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your activity on Instagram. Now, scroll down to the Photos and Videos section, and then click on the Reels section. Here, you'll see all the reels you have shared on your account. To make it easier to find the reels you want to delete, click on Sort and Filter. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the start date and end date for the period of the reels you want to delete. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply to filter the reels based on your selected dates. Now, click on Select to choose the reels you want to delete. You can select multiple reels at once by clicking on each reel. Once you've selected the reels you want to delete, click on the Delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected reels. Click on Confirm to complete the deletion process. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted multiple reels by date on Instagram using the new update on your PC. Keep your account organized and clutter-free with this simple process. Happy deleting!